Hug your pet today. I don't know, have I hugged my pet today? Have I hugged you yet, buddy? Oh, hugs. Oop, how about you? Have I hugged you yet today? Okay, here we go. Oh, hugs. Okay. Who wants to go swimming? You go swimming? Who wants to go? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Swimming. It'll be fun. Seriously. It'll be fun. Alright, well. Maybe you'll have fun when we get there. Okay, let's get the stuff ready. Let's see what we got here. We got the towels. We got the swimming shoes. We got the purse. We got, ooh, wait a minute. Water bottles. Gotta have water. It's really hot. Eventually they will realize we're gonna have fun. Guys, come on. Let's go swimming. Come on. Wait a minute. Come on, yay! Okay, you ready? Uh-oh. Ooh, somebody's in the car. All right, go ahead, big guy. Jump up, come on. There you go. All right. Get in your seat. That's not your seat. You know where your seat is. Get up there. Go get in your seat. I know, excited, right? Are you excited? Extreme close up. Okay. We are here. What you think? You ready to go swimming? Hold on. Wait. I gotta get your leashes. Guys, ready to go swimming, huh? How about you? You ready to go swimming? Alright, let's get wet. You gonna go swimming? Huh? It's nice today. Are you all done, Miss Kahoka? Are you all done? You don't want to go swimming anymore? It's a beautiful day. No? It's pretty here. It's quiet, nice, beautiful day. Got the whole beach to ourselves. There's nobody down that way. And there's nobody down that way. What do you think, Bubs? There's some little fish in here somewhere. I saw them. has a shell. Ooh, look, there's somebody in there. I see your feet. Oop, he's like, put back in the water. Okay. Sorry, big guy. There you go. Or girl. Whatever you are. Looks like a couple of kiddos had a really busy day. They're snoring. I don't know if this is picking it up or not. Just a busy day.